All right, guys, I'm gonna start the vlog right here in the middle of it. We got the Civic right here, the Rysar. This video is not about the Civic today. I was gonna drive it, but I changed my mind. That's because I am going to a BMW event at Enthusiast Auto Group, so I'm taking the E36. I gotta get it started up, let it warm up for a little while, and then, yeah, we'll head over there and we'll see what's going on. Trouble getting it started for a minute. So I missed the initial startup, but like I just turned it on, so I'll let you hear it. I'll let it warm up for a minute. For those of you who don't know, this car has a rebuilt engine. It's not crazy modified or anything, but it has some of the parts from the Euro spec E36s on it and all that stuff. It still needs a few things. It's not perfect, but you know, it's pretty good so far. Really some suspension things. The E30, there's absolutely nothing wrong with this car. It's in great shape. It just needs brakes right now. As you see inside, it has a few things in it. Can't really see in there, but I'll open that up another day and show you. Her name is Nostalgia. So I'll get back with you guys on the way there to the meetup, and then we'll get some clips of the meet itself. And then I'll show you one last look at the Type R. If you want some videos on this, just let me know and I'll make one. I'll probably make one anyway. Of course, before I go, I gotta give my dog a treat real quick. Hey, buddy. You guys wanna see him? There he is. I'm not gonna take him out now. There you go, buddy. Good boy. All right, to the car meet we go. All right, yeah, well, I'm back in the car, and all that exhaust that you can see just went in the car, so that's nasty. But it smells so bad. But yeah, I'm on my phone today. This was a really last minute decision, so that's why it looks like this. I'm usually one to use my camera, but there's nothing wrong with the phone though. You gotta, you know, it's a lot of great content creators that only use the phone, so there's nothing wrong with it. But I personally like to use my camera. But we're about to head over to the meet now, so I'll film some of the drive. I haven't driven the M3 in so long. I've been driving the Type R a lot, and it just feels so different. Switching up from a 2019 manual with auto rev match to a 1995 analog E36. I can't even see like out the windshield right now, but it's cool. We're gonna make it. I've done POVs before in this car, but literally never did anything with them. So I actually might post them. They're from like 4 years ago during the COVID time, but they're still cool POVs. So if you want to see those, just let me know. Oh yeah, this thing has not been driven in a while. This is not the Type R. Now, I really like the fact that this car meet is going on rain or shine, and I had to bring the M out. Like, everybody is bringing their M's out, so I'm bringing this one out. I just felt wrong being in a Civic, pulling up to a Beamer event, and there's an M3 right here. Like, I could just, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be safe, drive there, and catch you when I get there. I will say, this car, it's great, but right now it feels like a piece of junk compared to the Type R. Like, I've been so spoiled driving the Type R for the past few months, and literally not driving this, that the Type R feels like just, or this feels like just trash, and it's really not. It's an M3, but it feels like trash right now. Oh man. It's crazy because for the longest time, like, I knew Enthusiast Auto Group, EAG, was cool because I live really close to it, but I didn't know that it was really nationwide for real until I started seeing cars from there being posted on Instagram. I'm like, wait a minute, that's right down the street. And I'm like, oh wow, this place is famous for real. So it's kind of cool going there, and you know, it's a famous dealership, famous place to send your BMW to or get one from. And I'm just casually just going down the street, about to go check it out, see what's up, put this on YouTube later. I'll give you a downshift real quick though. Alright, I'm really close now. So I'll just kind of show you guys the what it looks like around here if you don't live in Ohio and live close to Enthusiast Auto Group. Hopefully you can hear me too, because I got the windows down and it's a little loud in here. So what we're approaching right now is on the left is like where one of their shops, one of their warehouses. Like I see them working on cars in here all the time. That's what we're driving. You see it like the graveyard and the Beamers over there. There's so many over there, it's hard to see. See, yeah, that's closed right now. Oh yeah, we got the Urus outside. Oh yeah, everybody is outside right now. BMW parking only. Oh yeah. All right, I'm gonna get back with you guys in a minute. All right, I couldn't get parked like at the event over there, so I'm over here right across. I did a bad park job, but can't see out the back window. But yeah, so I'm kind of salty I couldn't park over here. I should have just drove my Civic, because like I wanted to park next to some other Beamers. That was the point of driving it, but it's cool. I guess they don't have any more space. Should have came here earlier. Oh yeah, what is this? The Alpina E36 wagon. What we walked up on.
Yeah, oh for sure. I mean, it's great to see. I mean, who cares though? Having this casting.
Just saw that purple E30 wagon last week at the what am I trying to say? At the Toy Barn in Columbus. Man, there's so many cars here today. I'm kind of overwhelmed myself. I'm trying to get good content, but like I said, this is also last minute. Oh my god, it's the wagon that I just saw on Bring a Trailer. So quiet.
Okay. Well, look at that.
Yeah, this is some cool stuff today. All right, just as I was about to leave, I can't leave without getting this car on video. Nobody's standing by it now. It's the M3 wagon, and I saw this car on Doug DeMuro's page like last week. Sent it to my dad, and like it's literally right here. So that's pretty cool. It's definitely a salvage car. You can tell it's been pieced together, but it's sick. Yep, manual. That's it. Super cool. I would love to build one of these one day. All right, that was a cool thing to go to. Is that an F10 right there? I don't know if that's an M5 or not. I'm not looking that hard, but yeah, it was a cool turnout. I parked so bad. All right, that was a really good turnout. I met some cool people. I met the owner actually. Didn't even know it until I asked him if I could get a clip that he was in. So that's super cool. But yeah, I had a really good day. I saw one of my friends from high school that I used to run track with that works there. Super cool guy. I'm about to drive past and check out his E36 that he got. I'm not gonna tell you how much he got it for, but he literally got it for a steal from them. It was sitting for 12 years, he said. So it's really cool. I'm about to see it. Oh wow, that's it, the black one. So nice. But all right, everybody, I'm out. Thank you for watching. Ladies, gentlemen, anybody watching, take care. Until next time, peace.